So having this secondary valuation measure for the value of Amazon set up, the share price. Now we can move on to summarizing everything we've done so far. So we begin with our equity research target prices and the current share prices. So we want to obtain the market capitalization based on Amazon's fully diluted shares outstanding. So we're going to be determining the market capitalization based on Amazon's fully diluted shares outstanding. Then we will later on add the net debt to come up with the implied equity value based on these two valuation secondary measure for the value of Amazon. So let us go to our summary implied valuation section for the enterprise value. And here let us bring the 52-week trading prices, which we calculated a while ago, and also the equity analyst target prices. So I'm gonna switch, let this be equal to low. And go to share price tab. And let us grab here the low and the median, in this case it's gonna be the average, and the high, we have it set up here. And then we can do the same thing for equity analyst target prices. We can go to the tab where we did summarize those. Equity research consensus. We can grab here the low, we can grab the mid, and the median. We can grab here the high, so we have that set up there. Now we can highlight all of these, Alt Edge FC. Let us make this green since it's linking to another worksheet. So we have that set up there. Now we can estimate this in per share basis. So in order to do that, let us determine the market capitalization. So it's going to be equal to the fully diluted shares outstanding. We can grab that from the comps tab. $580 million shares. Reference that with F41s. You can feel it right. So now the market capitalization for the 52-week trading range is going to be equal to, we take, let us just bring that here, just reference that here, here it is right. going to be equal to, we take that share price and multiply that by the number of shares outstanding, filling that right for the median and the high. Now we can grab the net debt from the comps app. We have the net debt in place. We can now reference that with F1s, filling that right, highlighting this alt edge FC. Let's make that color green. So the implied enterprise value is going to be the sum of the market capitalization and the net debt. Now we can fill this right with Control R. So we have that set up there. Now we can link in the equity research target prices here, and we'll do the same. The fully diluted shares outstanding, linking that as well, and calculating the current market capitalization is going to be equal to the equity research target prices multiplied by the fully diluted shares outstanding. And now to calculate the implied enterprise value, we have to add the net debt. So it's going to be equal to the market capitalization